GameStop is the world's largest retailer of video games that operates in around 4,860 stores in the US, Europe, New Zealand, Canada, and Australia. GameStop is an American video game, consumer electronics, and gaming merchandise retailer. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of downloading and logging into your GameStop account. So let's get started and find out how that can be done. First of all, go to the App Store if you are an iOS user, or go to the Google Play Store if you are an Android user. Then in the search bar type GameStop and search for it. So here's the GameStop app that you're looking for. To download the app, tap on the option Get right here. In place of Get option, there is Open option showing in my screen. This is because I've already downloaded the app. Once the app has been downloaded in your device too, tap on Open to go to the app. Now the app might take some time to load. Once loaded, you'll be asked if you want to stay up to date or not. To remain updated, tap on Enable Notifications, otherwise you can tap on No Thanks. After that, at the top right corner of the screen, you'll be able to see an option Sign In. Tap on it. To sign in, you'll have to provide your GameStop account's email address and password. So enter the email address associated with your GameStop account and then the password. After that, tap on Sign In, and that's it. You'll be logged into your GameStop account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Help Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye bye.